Water as a verb in sentences for different classes, class 1 to 5. I water the plants every morning. Here, water is a verb. The subject who the subject of this verb is I. The object of this verb water is the plants. Every morning is an adverb that is modifying the verb water. I water the plants every morning. Water means give. I give water. Water also, in this sentence, I give water to the plants daily in the morning. In this sentence, here water is a noun and give is a verb. I water the plants every morning means I give water to the plants daily in the morning. She waters the flowers in the garden, meaning she pours water on the flowers in the garden. He waters the lawn every weekend, meaning he gives water to the lawn every Saturday or Sunday. We water the vegetables in the backyard, meaning we provide water to the vegetables growing in the backyard. They water the trees to help them grow, meaning they give water to the trees so they can grow healthy. My mom waters the plants before breakfast, meaning my mom gives water to the plants early in the morning before eating breakfast. The gardener waters the garden in the evening. I watered the flowers after school. He waters the crops early in the morning. She waters the plants every night. He watered the plants so they don't dry out. We give water to the plants to prevent them from becoming dry. He waters the lawn to keep it green, meaning he provides water to the lawn to maintain its green color. She waters the flowers because they need care. She gives water to the flowers because they require attention. They water the fields to grow healthy crops. I watered the herbs to use them in cooking. If you don't water the plants, they will die. She waters the garden if it doesn't rain. We water the trees before it gets too hot. Unless you water the lawn, it will turn brown. He could water the flowers if he had more time. While I water the plants, I listen to music. She waters the garden every day, even when she is busy. After he waters the crops, he checks their growth. Although it is raining, I still water the indoor plants. Since the soil is dry, we water the entire field.